5 home remedies for corn and calluses on face. One of the most painful abrasion that your foot can get exposed to is corn. The pain of is piercing that can actually give you sleepless nights. Corn are circular patches of the skin containing dead skin cells and have a cramped center. Corn is actually body's defense mechanism against any pressure that the feet are subjected on account of friction or rubbing of the toes or pressure due to shoes. These can occur anywhere on the feet. Number 1 is turpentine oil. Turpentine oil is a strong antiseptic that can help to treat the corns. The oil penetrates into the skin quickly so that healing times may be faster. Wrap eyes in a thin cloth and massage the affected area with 2 or 3 minutes. Pat dry the skin and rub some turpentine oil on the corn. Then put a bandage over it and leave it overnight. Do this daily before going to bed. Number 2 is papaya. Papaya is another very easy and effective remedy for removing foot corns. These are several enzymes in papaya that will help to slow off hard and dead skin. Plus, papaya can ease any pain or discomfort and even help the corn dry up and fall off faster. For best results, use raw papaya. Grate a small piece of raw papaya and extract its juice. Soak a cotton ball in this juice, put it on the corn and secure it with tape. Leave it overnight. The next morning, use a pumice stone to gently exfoliate the skin. Repeat daily until you are satisfied with the results. Number 3 is licorice. In your area, licorice is often recommended to treat corns on the feet due to its amazing healing and medicinal properties. Mix 1 tablespoon of licorice powder with enough mustard oil to make a thick paste. Apply the paste on the affected area before going to bed. Put a bandage over it and leave it overnight. The next morning, remove the bandage and wash the area with lukewarm water. Do this every night until corns become soft and decrease in size. Number 4 is turmeric. Another good remedy to heal corn is turmeric. Due to its anti-inflammatory nature, turmeric can ease discomfort, reduce pain, and speed up healing. Mix 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder and a little honey to make a thick paste. And then apply this paste on the corn and allow it to dry. Repeat 2 or 3 times a day, at least once in a week, until the corns come out. Number 5 is pineapple. You can also clear off corns with pineapple. By treating corns, pineapple peel is more effective than the flesh. The peel contains certain enzymes that help to soften the corns. Cut a small square of a freshly removed pineapple peel. Put the inner part of the peel on the corn. Secure it with a bandage. Wear a sock and leave it overnight. The next morning, remove the bandage, wash the area, and then apply some coconut oil. Use this remedy every night for about once in a week until the corns comes out.
If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and comment on the video. Also subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.